everybody, what's up? It's your girl Shay'Elaine and welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Ding. That way you're notified every single time I post a video. This channel really is for everyone. You get a little hair, you get a little makeup, body positivity, lifestyle. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you're notified of every time I post a video. And with that being said, today's video is a Fashion Nova dress haul. It'll be featuring lots of fun spring and summer dresses from Fashion Nova's Curve collection. If you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching and let's, do this thing. Let's go ahead and get on into it. Ow. All right, you guys. So this is the painted on maxi dress. I did get this in a size 1X. And the only hang up I have with this dress are the straps. Because the simple fact, yeah, this is cute and everything, me holding my boob, but I don't want to do this all day while I'm like, obviously trying to wear it. So I've worn this today and I literally have to keep doing this. So if you have heavier boobs, breast, you probably want to size up. I got this again in a 1X and I'm a 42 double D. My waist is a little smaller. I'll put all my body details down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. But it does have a split, guys, and that split does not stop. That thing goes all the way up here. So literally, this is your split. And it's on both sides. So if the wind catches this thing the wrong way, you're gonna have some peekaboo Hello Kitty happening. And this is the back. It has a nice little deep, there's a zipper right here too. And honestly, I stepped into this, guys. I didn't have to pull it over my head. I stepped right into it and pulled it up and it was fine. It does give me good coverage in the bosom area. All in all, it's very light, it's very flowy, but like I said, you might want to put on bottoms because if the wind takes this thing away, I can't promise. Look how pretty this is, guys. It is perfect for spring, summer, or we in quarantine, so I might just walk around in the house and be like, hey babe, you hungry? Let me make you. Yes, this is cute. So that is what this is given right now. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is this a yes and no? Where would you wear it? I wouldn't even put heels on with this. I would just put like a cute pair of probably like sandals on and just brunch it, lunch it up with the girls or whatever, but this is a vibe I like. Okay, so you guys know I like to give you guys my first impression, fresh out of the box kind of thing, and I am not in love with this. I got this really because I really like the color, but look how square I look in this. This is the Fashion Nova Curves tried and true maxi dress. Let me back up a little so you can see. It is really long. I'm just kind of spin so you guys can kind of get this little 360 vibe from it. But it just has no shape. This, and especially like in my guys, I just feel like these look like bags. Like, what the heck? Let me just, is it me? There's space, so it can't be. Like, I just look like I have bags. Maybe, no, oh my God, no. And there's no shape to this thing, like, at all. I can't. This is not my favorite. My son agrees, he says no. But I can't with this. I'm not even gonna try to take it in. There's just, this is what my grandmama calls a muumuu. Like, this is like, I would wear this to bed. This is gonna be a nightgown because this is not, I'm not getting sexy vibes from this at all. Like that first one gave me sex vibes. This is giving me, I'm going to slip dress, go to bed. No. Let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all like this, because it looks okay on the model, but and this is a 1X, and it does have a great, deal of stretching this waistband here, and then it has some more material here. This is not cute. I'm over it. Throw it away. Okay, so this one I like a little bit better. This is their Looking for Prey maxi or mid whatever dress. I got it in a 1X. Now, this split, as you can see, it's a divider. So I feel like it's supposed to be right here in the middle, but literally this is like my Johnny, and my Johnny is not trying to be out. So had I maybe gotten a 2X, it doesn't give a lot of stretch. There is some, but not a lot. It's a little restricted, and y'all probably can see my situation if I do that. So we're not. But maybe had I sized up, it would have been okay. I don't know if you're supposed to wear this off the shoulder or not, but I love the top. And I think, wait, let me see. See, okay, yeah. If I switch it over to the side a bit, I like it. Yeah, I love this now. Just that one little adjustment made it so much better. I love this. But then I look crazy in the back now because it's not perfectly aligned, but who really cares about that? This is cute now from the front, if I turn it to the side with a nice strappy heel. Maybe I have to style this on. I like this. This is giving me sex appeal. I love this. And the hair with it. And this is AF Sister Wig. I have a video up on my channel for this. I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested in this hair. Go ahead and get into that. But this is pretty. I feel like it has eyes on the sleeve. And it's supposed to give you like this leopard Catwoman situation. But I have another leopard printed dress that I really do like. And this, with it just over that one leg. I don't know. Me getting the walk in though, it might switch up. Yeah, this, I would have had to size up in. I'm gonna still wear it because I'm me and I can do what I want, but maybe off the shoulders, on the shoulders. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. This, because I was just giving black on this side, which is fine. Right? Just that one little part. This is giving me a vibe. So this is the vibe right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a vibe? Okay, y'all. Now that last one was giving you pussycat fever. Whew! This one is giving me jungle cat, okay? Again, I am like really exploring my print and color range, like something serious, because I would have never typically picked up something like this, but baby, I love this on this melanin. And I'm really liking the leg. Like I don't care what I usually never do. We are in 2020, and because it's so crappy these days, I am just feeling the George of the Jungle vibe in this, okay? Even a little Coming to America. Whatever you like. Yes, okay? This is, I like. Okay, I would consider this maybe a mid-rise and not so much as a maxi, but this split is giving me fever. It's supposed to be like this, but you know I'm real risque, so I just want it right there. But, and the fabric is really soft. It's super stretchy. It does give me good coverage. You can put a pin on it if you want to be more sanctified than that, but there's a lot of stretch in the sleeve. There's actually quite a bit of space left in the sleeve. So if you have bigger arms, that's good. This is a 1X. And I will list everything again in the description box below for you guys. Let me get you another little spin. And this is the vibe, y'all. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so soft. It just makes you just want to just touch all on yourself. If you wasn't feeling sexy before, baby, throw on your wig and feel sexy now, because this is a vibe. Yes. All right, you guys. So this is the Sky Fly Satin slip dress. I like it. Don't get me wrong. It's just a little weird. And it could just be because I don't have any shapewear on. I'm not wearing a bra. And I probably could have sized up. It's in a 1X. So there's like this weird situation. It does not stretch at all. Not even a little bit. And then it's just like, it feels super lopsided. I can't, like, what is going on? But it does have this beautiful like cow's neck thing. And I feel like if I put shapewear on, it'll be fine. But the overall integrity of the dress It's beautiful. I have no idea what to do with these straps. I have to look back at the model because there's like two. There's this strap and then there's this one that's holding it up. So again, this is a 1X, so I would definitely have to wear shapewear with this. Let me get up closer. It's a very pretty pastel. And I would definitely put on some clear pumps with this so you guys can see the back. See that? Is how I would need like a sister friend of mine to pull that up over that back roll right there. Or I would just have to size up because it doesn't stretch. It doesn't even move. Like, this is what the back looks like. Like, I can't. I'm not sure. But overall, I love the dress. I love the idea of the dress. This would be a very cute, you know, on the water in DC, Georgetown, cute little restaurant, date night situation. Once I figure out how it's supposed to work. Like, I don't even remember in the model, like, how this was. Like, is there like two straps? You tie one here. It feels like from where the straps are that it's supposed to come up, maybe up and over. I don't know, y'all. Help us this out. Like, I feel really lopsided in this outfit. Like, I don't know. Like, if I can figure it out, I'll style it on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. It's blonde_but_fabulous1, the same as my YouTube page. Comment below. Am I wearing this right? No. Is it lopsided? Probably. But is it cute? It is. It really is. If I had sized up, this probably would have worked out better for me. If I put on some shapewear, I am. I'm going to put some shapewear on, and I'll take a picture of it, and I'm going to put it, you can't even see me, put it on my Instagram page, okay? So, this is almost a vibe. This is a vibe. It has a little cute little slit there. I didn't even see that. This is a vibe in the making, okay? This is the makings of a vibe. Like, making of a band. Do y'all remember that show? Or am I old? Ooh. Okay, so Fashion Nova curves, they always do me like well. Like, you can never have too many little black dresses in your closet, and this, I will honestly say, is a must have. This is their Simply Gorgeous mid-rise dress, and you guys, this is giving me love. I love, it's the off the shoulder. And I never wear stuff like this. This is a new year for me because I am literally just stepping all the way out of my comfort zone, guys. And I really just feel like that is just something we need to do. This is the year of being uncomfortable and you're just gonna have to get with it or go home. But this is like it. I love how simply gorgeous, exactly what the name of it is, implies. I love how simply gorgeous this is. I just look like, I love this. Where would I wear it to? I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely gonna put a bra on, but this is cute and it gives you so much shape in this. Like, when I put my shaper on, the waist that I'm gonna have in this thing with a cute open toe, probably sandal, like a high heel. I don't know. I've had this one up on my Instagram and guys, I love it. I'm about to cry. I love this so much. I do. I really do. Like, cute date night, brunch, girls' day, running to the store. I would wear this to the store because that's just me. I don't know if I could get away with sneakers with this because it has like a little flare situation, almost like a bell where it's like angled on both sides. And I definitely would not put this on with slip. I'm just feeling myself, y'all. Forgive me in all these pauses because I'm just looking at myself in this camera and I just love how delicate and dainty and feminine this, it just makes you just like, I just want to touch yourself. I like it. This is like bae coming over, you want some popcorn and some wine and we're gonna sit down and watch Scandal. Like, reruns. This is nice. What do you guys think? Comment below so far. What's your favorite look? I have one more to show you guys, but I don't even want to take this off. How? And it does have quite a bit of stretch. I got this in a 1X, and there's still some space left. But I honestly, if you're like my size, a 1X will be fine. If you went up a size on this, it would just be large. This is very comfortable. Let me know what you think. This is a vibe. This is literally the vibe. Alright, you guys, so this is their On the Runway maxi dress. Y'all, this dress is, I don't know, between this one and that black one, I didn't want to take that black one off, but this red one, Lady in Red, Vixen, I love this, y'all. I am prepared in this dress. Look at the back. It has like this crisscross action going on back here. We're in the house, but who really wants to? This is the, I am walking, and y'all, it literally drags on the floor. It's that long. And I am almost 6 foot. Well, 5'11", 6 foot. Like, I'm pretty much 6 foot. And I'm on my tippy toes, and it's still dragging on the floor. It's giving you On the Runway. Yes. Okay. Guys, do y'all see this? I love it. It's giving me so much coverage. I'm a 42 double D, but so if you're like a 42 triple D, you would still be fine in this because it literally has so much more space. But we got to keep in mind though that if your boobs are heavier or they're bigger, then they're obviously heavier. So you have to take that into consideration when you come to the straps. These straps in the back are adjustable, so I can probably, you know, pull this up a little bit and I will still get kind of the same effect. There is no stretch in this waistband. I have maybe about 1 inch in there, not even that much. So if you have a bigger waist than I do, go ahead and size up. Again, all of my body details are gonna be in the description below. This is a 1X. It does have these splits underneath, and half of me kind of wishes that this tulle also had that split in it too, but I still think you get the same sex appeal. Like if I'm just, you're gonna get the same vibe. I just think you will. So, I don't know, guys. It's a tie for me between that black outfit and this one. Comment below in the description what's your favorite one in this haul. Let me know what you guys think. But this gets 10s across the board for me, darling, because I'm loving it. Yes. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Did you subscribe to your girl's channel? Go ahead. I'm waiting. Thank you. Now back to the video. All right, you guys, so that is this for this Fashion Over Curves haul. I hope you like all the outfits that I picked out for you guys. I do have another Fashion Nova haul coming out for you guys in just a short while here. It is their jumpsuits. I'm gonna try to get it out this week also, just because I know things sell out super, super fast and I don't want you guys to miss out on getting your fun outfits. So if you guys like this Fashion Nova haul, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. That's flawed_but_fabulous1, the word one, not the number. And it's your girl, Shay'Elaine. Thank you guys so, so much for supporting and watching my channel. I cannot wait to bring you guys all types of new fun content. And that is really it, y'all. Be glammed as always. Be safe. Way too blast.